So how do you make a yummy and nutritious Herbalife shake in just 5 easy steps? I'm gonna show you guys right away in my kitchen. And if you're new here, my name is Jean. Subscribe to my channel for weekly body confidence and Herbalife nutrition tips. Okay, so before we get into shake making, I want to show you guys this amazing ultimate shake builder guide that is from Herbalife Nutrition. So you should be able to get a copy from your Herbalife Nutrition coach. And of course, if you don't have a coach, you can reach out to me, and you can definitely click on the link below inside the video description for a copy of yours if you would like to download a copy, right? So I'll put a download link in the description below. Now, this ultimate shake builder is actually quite amazing. I want you guys to take a quick look at it. Then you understand what are the 5 steps. Okay, step 1, choose your base. So in here, base basically means the combination of your Herbalife Formula 1 powder and a type of liquid, right? So in most cases, we would do Formula 1 powder with protein drink mix, with water or with milk. And for some of us, we would choose like plant-based milk with Formula 1 or PDM powder. So there are different choices that we can play around with. And in the Herbalife Shake Guide, they give us some suggestions, and also I love how they state the protein counts and also the calorie counts. Okay, so step 2, very easy. Choose your fruits and vegetables, or have the 2 together. Most of the time I just suggest everyone to pick one type of fruit or one type of vegetable, right? And just have them in the amount of like your fist size or a cup size. Step 3, choose your nuts, seeds, and grains and add them to your shake. Most of the time, I like to suggest my clients to pick either nuts or seeds because they're very high in healthy fats and very rich in fiber. So this will also add that extra nutrient to your shake and make your shake extra thick and fulfilling. Step 4, add your protein boost. Okay, so in the cases where if your base doesn't have any protein drink mix, I'll highly suggest everyone to add an extra protein boost. And you have different, choices, such as like you can add tofu, you can add yogurt, low-fat cottage cheese, or you can definitely use the Herbalife protein powder, like the personalized protein powder or the protein beverage mix. And the Herbalife protein boosters are very versatile, so it really depends on your body needs and your health goals. You can basically adding the amount of like protein that you need, right, to add the extra protein count to your shake overall. Okay, our final step, step 5, is to add your Herbalife boosters, right? So the Herbalife boosters can really range from adding the active fiber complex to aloe, to probiotics, to, your tea concentrate, or, Prolesa Duo. So these are all very amazing and very popular choices as Herbalife boosters to add into your shake, right? So this is the final step. So when you have all your 5 steps ready, it's actually very quick and simple and easy to basically add them together and blend and make your yummy, nutritious Formula 1, your Herbalife shake, right? So let me know in the comment below if you guys have tried these 5 steps or if you're about to try, and what are your choices for each step. Okay, now let's go back to my kitchen and let's make that 5-step shake together. Okay, so for our shake making today, for step 1, choose our base. We've got Formula 1 banana caramel flavor plus protein drink mix chocolate flavor, so PDM and F1 together, plus a cup of water. I'm pouring a little bit extra because I know that the shake is going to get quite thick with the amount of ingredients we're going to be using, so I use a little bit extra liquid so it doesn't get too thick. But depending on how you like your shake, some people like it really thick, then you can actually add in some extra ice cubes to thicken it, but I personally don't like my shake too thick, so I'll just use a bit of extra liquid. And step 2, choose your fruit. We have banana, so we're gonna use half of a medium banana here today. Step 3, step 3, choose your nuts or seeds. We have chia seeds here, right? So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon as suggested by the Herbalife Shake Guide, right? 1 tablespoon of the chia seeds. Sometimes you can actually use soaked chia seeds. So you can put them in a jar with water, soak them overnight or for a couple of hours, right? And the texture can be quite nice and thick as well. But for today's demo, we're just gonna use unsoaked chia seeds. Okay, now step number 4 for our protein booster, we are gonna use half a cup of our Greek yogurt. Okay, it's non-sweetened. This is actually high protein Greek yogurt. You can actually find high protein option in the market. Okay, so we're gonna use Greek yogurt as our extra protein booster. And for the final booster, the Herbalife booster for our shake, we are using Simply Probiotic. I love it because it really does wonders to your microbiome and also to your digestion system. So I drink this every day in my tea, or I blend it in my shake sometimes. Okay, let's put all these magic ingredients together. Wow, this is very thick and very nutritiously loaded. And I think there's about, from what I've calculated, by following the Herbalife Ultimate Shake Builder Guide, there's about 37 grams of protein here. It's actually a very nice like meal replacement shake. And I'll say, you know, if you drink this in the morning, definitely it will keep you full for like a long time, for like half a day. I can guarantee that. And of course, for a lot of beginners, if you feel like you are confused by the 5 steps, you shouldn't be, because it's very easy. I'll say you can actually eliminate step 4, right? Or step 3. You can actually just go straight from the base, right? So your powder and your liquid base, to step 2 to choose your fruits or vegetable. And then step 3, go straight to your booster, right? So if you like someone that would like something even simpler, just skip number 3 and 4. Step number 3 and 4. Just step 1, step 2, and then last step boosters. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and of course go and make your own 5 easy steps Herbalife shakes and let me know how it goes. And definitely let me know where's everybody tuning in from. And once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am here every Wednesday and Saturday. And for a lot of you guys who would like to join us to work with me, you can actually join us in the 10-day Body Confidence Bootcamp. It is a brand new program we have, which is very fun, just 10 days together. And it's nothing like the kind of challenges we had before. It's even more fun, where we get to work together on your body confidence, how to feel more confident and also more amazing about your own body, whilst working on nourishing your body health and body nutrition all together at the same time. In just 10 days, you will see amazing breakthroughs for yourself and your body. Okay, so look forward to seeing a lot of you guys inside the Body Confidence Bootcamp together. If you guys want to download today's Shake Builder Guide, you can click on the link in the description and you should be able to download it very easily. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, just write them in the comment below. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.